You may hear it before you ever see it. During the breeding season, the male releases a sharp, powerful call that echoes across marshes and rice fields. That sound is not random. It is a signal, a claim of territory, a call to attract a mate. What makes the watercock truly fascinating is its transformation. Outside the breeding season, it blends into its environment. But when the time comes, the male darkens dramatically and develops a bold red shield on its forehead. It is nature's way of saying, "This is strength, this is readiness." The female, more subtly colored in shades of brown, stays perfectly camouflaged among reeds and grasses. This natural design helps protect her and the nest from predators. Watercocks thrive in wetlands, flooded fields, and marshy landscapes. They feed on insects, small aquatic life, seeds, and tender plants, quietly playing their role in maintaining ecological balance. But wetlands around the world are shrinking, and when these habitats disappear, so do the lives that depend on them. The watercock is more than just a bird. It is a reminder that even in the quietest corners of nature, there is drama, adaptation, and survival unfolding every single day.